Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to dominate their niche online: how to outrank 99% of your competitors on Google. Specifically, we'll focus on two critical aspects: creating high quality content and building powerful backlinks. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive right into the first key topic: content. You've probably heard the phrase "content is king" countless times, and for good reason. High-quality content is the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. So what does high-quality content entail? High-quality content is informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. It answers questions, solves problems, and provides insights. Google loves content that is thorough and well-researched. When creating content, aim for depth. Long-form content, generally over 1,500 words, tends to perform better in search rankings. It gives you the space to cover a topic comprehensively and allows you to include more keywords naturally. Structure your content for readability. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points. This not only helps with SEO, but also makes it easier for readers to digest the information. Break your content into small, readable sections. Use images, infographics, and videos to break up the text and keep readers engaged. Visuals can also help illustrate complex points. Keywords are still essential, but they should be used naturally. Stuffing keywords can hurt your rankings. Focus on incorporating your primary keyword in the title, first paragraph, and a few times throughout the content. Use variations and related terms to provide context to search engines. Another critical aspect of high-quality content is freshness. Regularly update your content to keep it relevant. Google favors websites that consistently provide new and updated information. This doesn't mean you need to write new articles every day. Sometimes updating existing content with new data or insights can be just as effective. Now let's move on to the second key aspect: backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the better your site will rank. But not all backlinks are created equal. Focus on getting links from reputable, high-authority sites. One effective strategy for building backlinks is guest posting. Reach out to blogs and websites in your niche and offer to write a guest post. In exchange, you can include a link back to your site. This not only helps with SEO, but also exposes your content to a broader audience. Creating shareable content is another powerful backlink strategy. Infographics, in-depth guides, and original research are highly shareable and often cited by other websites. The more valuable and unique your content, the more likely it is to be linked to. Another approach is to leverage existing relationships. If you have partners, suppliers, or customers with websites, ask them to link to your content. These relationships can be a valuable source of high-quality backlinks. Don't forget about broken link building. Find broken links on reputable sites in your niche and offer your content as a replacement. This helps the website owner fix a problem and earns you a backlink in the process. Finally, always monitor your backlink profile. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to keep track of who's linking to your site and ensure the links are high quality. Disavow any spammy or low quality links that could hurt your rankings. To sum it up, focusing on high quality content and building powerful backlinks are two of the most effective ways to outrank your competitors on Google. Create content that is valuable, engaging, and regularly updated. Build backlinks through guest posts, shareable content, leveraging relationships, and broken link building. Remember, SEO is a long-term game. It takes time and consistent effort, but the results are worth it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more SEO and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.